Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this really easy makeup look, and it takes 5 minutes or less depending on how fast or slow you are, but yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. So first you would need to get a clear brow gel. I use the NYX Control Freak one, and it doesn't have to be clear, but I just use clear. When I apply the brow gel, I like to go in an upward motion. And then I go on the tail and I try to shape the tail, and then I kind of like work my way up to the front of the brow, like that. Yeah. Then I do the same to the other brow. Now I'm using my concealer. I'm using the LA Girl concealer. It's my favorite concealer. You can use foundation, but I would rather use concealer. For the concealer, I lightly applied some to my under eye, and I make sure to apply it in like a upward motion, like that. Then I start to go down like on my cheeks. Then you do the same thing in the other eye, but make sure while you apply on both sides, don't use a lot of concealer, just use a little bit, like the perfect amount. Now get a brush similar to this, or any type of brush, but I used a brush that I can easily like do gentle patting motions to flatten out the concealer so it can blend in with my skin really well. Next, I apply some concealer on my chin, lightly blend it out. Pat the concealer down with your brush, just like what you did underneath your eyes. Now I'm gonna apply concealer like on the side of my nose. I do this because if you like up close, the sides of my nose are like they have red spots. If you don't have red spots there, you can skip this step, but you just apply concealer and like repeat the steps on any red areas on your face. Now you can blend it out. I also forgot to mention that I also applied concealer on my forehead lightly, in between, like that space in my forehead in between my brows. And then I blend that area. That's where I applied the concealer. Blend it, blend it, blend it. For lips, I'm just gonna use my favorite lip balm. It has a pink tint to it. You can use whatever lip balm you want, but I'm just gonna be using the Baby Lips. Apply it, obviously. Now you would need blush. My blush is broken, I dropped it. But I'm using the blush from e.l.f. When you apply your blush, you can apply it however you want, but I apply it in an upward motion to like on my cheekbones kind of. But don't get too much blush. Get a small amount, but make sure you get enough so that you can see it, if that makes sense. But you could also use highlighter, but you should just stick with blush because blush gives a more natural look compared to highlight. And then also lightly like blend it out, just lightly. This is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. And yeah, bye.